Hey Philippines, this is my wife, Manili. She is so very active today and she likes to move around here in the secret lagoon. If you see her face, you will notice that she is so beautiful and she looks she looks like a Mama Mary in the Philippines. But the Mama Mary is origin from Latin. Some of you guys will differentiate the beauty of Mama Mary and Manilin because she's so exotic, unique, and such a good faces. Any angle of her face is so perfect. That's all for now. Then I'm going to switch it to the other side of the camera.